So many beginners think that lead guitar is very difficult. Lead guitar is not difficult. In this lesson, I'm going to break everything for you guys down step by step. So stay till the end of this video. You will understand everything step by step. Don't miss any part in this video. Welcome to day 3 of African guitar lessons. If you are done with day 1, day 2 lessons, congratulations. Now we have taken some steps on how to play African guitar. If you are new here, I recommend that you should go and watch day 1 and day 2 lesson, because this lesson we are focusing on how to solo. Grab your guitar and let's start it. Let's listen to this simple progression. 1, 5, 4, 5. So this is what I'm playing here. This is the key of C here. This is the key C here. Right? So what I played in this shape, this is the shape. This is the shape. As I said, if you have listened to the progression is like this. This is the progression, right? C, G, F, G. This is the progression, which is 1, 5, 4, 5, right? So what I played is like this. Right? So right? So the first phrase I did here is like this. Look at it. Listen to the first phrase here. The first phrase is like this. This is your G here. 5. This is the first phrase here. The first phrase I did here. They play. That's the first phrase, which is 5, 1. Right? 5, 1. Then you come to 5 again. This is the first phrase I did here. Then the second phrase is like this. This is the second phrase here, which is 3 and 5 again. Right? This is the second phrase. Then let's go to our third phrase. Right? The first phrase is like this. The first phrase is like this. The second phrase is. Then the third phrase is like this. This is the third phrase, which is your 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So this is the third phrase. Then the fourth phrase is like this. Right? Which is your 1, 4, 6, 4. Right? Which is 1, 4, 6, 4. That's the fourth phrase. Then fifth phrase like this. Right? This is the fifth phrase here. Right? So let's combine the all phrase together. Let's combine the all phrase together. Right? So if you play it fast, you will get something like this. right? So let's come to the other shape. This is the first shape I played here. Then this is the octave. This is the high octave here, right? Look at this. This one, something changed here. Something changed here. So let me break this one down. This is the major scale here. Right? So this is the breakdown on this shape. Now let me break this one down for you guys here on this shape. This is your 5. This is 5 1. The first phrase on this shape is like this: 5 1, right? 5 1, then 5, right? 5 1 5, right? The first phrase is like this. This is the first phrase. Then the second phrase here is like this. Then this is the second phrase, which is 3 5 3 5. Then the third phrase here is like this. Then the third phrase. Then the third phrase, right? The third phrase is like this, which is 3 2 1, right? Then number fourth phrase is like this. This is your La here, right? This is 6 here. 6 6 4 6, right? 6 4 6 4 5. This is 5, right? So let us combine the phrase together. Let's combine this phrase together here. Right? So there is something that I did here, right? Instead of playing, right? Which is like this. So let me break this one down for you guys step by step. Now, like the way I told you guys, the first phrase is like this, right? Then the second phrase is like this, right? Then the third phrase is like this. Then the fourth phrase is like this. Right? Then now, what actually changed in this position is like this. Instead of, then we play, so we play 1 here with your 6 here, which is, we'll slide it to 2 and 7, 2 7, which is from 1 and 6 to 2 and 7, right? 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 So it's just like this, right? So if you can be able to combine these two shapes together, right, it will sound like this. So come here. Right? This is all about it here, right? This is all about this one. Then if you can play it faster. So let's jam this together. Let's play this one together. See you guys in the 4 lesson.